Y thesel fioma the Liz Kerno, ragdiski pithos o Huarvos gans ragdrezo and tavus. Dalva Anyeth yw sinsis oma heddiw, ha greni gwelys piws oma, ha piw ys o kelsel in kever aga ragdrezo.
A droll the thou egans person eth and contelians de sadorn pimvekves of vis hedra. Brassaran and termin ver passies in un wasloes orth no waddle ragdrezo. And Dalva, a glewis panderig Huarvos gans ragdres porcellis gans Paul Hodge, Jody Davy a gelsus, and Keverloen de Perrin Nessamis, than Ostel Atlantic in Towen Blistry. Here the Rivas and Kever Keskan do wethanols and proms Kernoak, han no waddle boss Rory McGrath, the Ghana gans changing rooms in Kernoak than do wethanols. Cornish quest a rolls de Rivas war aga ghoul the Benzants mis Huevero tors. Hegena, radio and Gernowegva the squethus kevlo a Huithrans gosloizzy. Will Coleman a Erethus war and pithers o Huarvos gans Gwethan Aurek hagi o Tisplegia ragdres deski and Tavus gans Paul Hodge of El Ledier and Tavus gans and Coethus na. Was a hedna, near Glewis of the Worth, Caderia and Academy Jory Ansel, again a consular Julian German, war Geskels Gansen governance. Was Staleth me a Wovedna Zorth Ledier Kernoek than consul Mark Trevethan, in Kerapith Rebu Deskes.
So Grisavi Heno Kuntelis Gwell Legis and Prisarol and Duetha Kuntelis in Misebro Pan Rusini Clues a Drothin Gorth the Warson governance a Droth the Fund and Arkans. Heddiw all a drodd in ragdrezo, fatala ilini, kezoberry, ha mwy posethek, ha imamura daclo o Huarvos lemon in Kerno, gans anyeth, ha, well, blurna govanik o fi, and pith ilini gul lemon.
Ha near Glewis the Worth Gwethan Aurek, the Worth Radio and Grenowegva, Ros Diski, Lies Ragdres, Lavrin them Nepith droll the Hedna.
Well, Ragofi and contract gans Gwethan Aurek and Change Braz, Ragantolan and Yeth, Dreffen Boz, Chons the Entra and Scolio had Diski Kernoek Aval Yeth Arnoeth, Inlay, Gul Classo, Unclass Oma, Unclass Enna, Unwaith, Henaviz, the Diski Fleches, the Gausel and Yeth, Henu Purbozek Rag, and Yeth Kernoek, Del Wothes, Ima Muragonoeger, Koth, Ima Edom din Chanja Henna, the Revel Fleches, Tus Yoink, O Causel, Tam and Yeth, well, Del Whitey, Bos Frethin and Yeth in Weth.
Olifants and Stevel, Ew and Archans, the Worth and Governance, there's a Nebis Keskals draw the head now, Weth.
Yeah, well, Minzuz and Archans of the Worth and Governance, Henu Kudin Braz, Rag Lemon and Vlithin Mahan, Vlithin Nessa, and Consul Leveris, and Consul the Re-Archans Ragantolan. Henu Chons Braz Ragolni, the Gora Pubtrai in Lay, the Debbie and Yeth, Gul Mura Daclo, Mez, Ima Edom then governance, Gul Nepith, the Scotia and Yeth, Agan Yeth you Yeth Rag Ol and Po, Nins you Marnus the Gurno, Ea Sinus and Uverhansia Gans Consular Europe in Weth, Ithol Resu than the Herthia, Healthcare and governance in Weth.
Haggard has a consular Julian German or Kelsel Nepeth in Kever Hedner and Weth.
Yeah, Imaev o the sire the Vetia Orthan Minister knoweth, Lord Bourne, ever Garus Kembrek, Ithol Martesan, ever Alsa Scothia, Yetho Beacon, Keparha Kernoek. Del Dibin, Bos Chance Enna, the Das Dibi, a draw den Archens, mes bis that lemon, nins as a chance the Vetia Ganzo.
Nebis and these enna leveris nages a Laura Johns ragdath le war gudidno ha nins essa Laura derm in vithol. Profies ver Bo since is nessa blethen kes Casilians dres ein jeth in ile.